Hi everybody, you're back in my kitchen and it is fall, and I want to thank everyone for coming in, subscribing, and keep on doing that. But you know, it's fall, it's getting crisp outside, it's time to go watch a movie, kind of snuggle up and have a good time. So I was just saying to Perry, because this is the time I kind of like to go to a movie. I'm not a movie person, but this is the time of the year I don't mind really going to a movie. And we went past the theater that we used to go to, that they redid. And I said, oh look, they redid the theater. And he said, oh, is that the one with that good smelling popcorn? They had some good popcorn. That's the only thing about that theater that was good, was their popcorn. So I'm gonna make popcorn today. And it's this popcorn, of course, because it's not the package already done. You can control how much salt you want in there. You can control the flavor you want. You just got to pop it on the stove, and it's really no big deal. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pop my popcorn on the stove so you guys can see. Kids will like it. Everybody want to watch a movie. It's going to be great. And those times are coming, if not now. So I'm going to start working on that. So first of all, I'm using a big pot here that has a top. You got to have a top for it. So I got a top that fits. Next thing, I'm just going to turn on my light, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon of oil at the bottom, and just let it get hot. So you see, put a tablespoon of this oil, and this is a popping oil. It's a butter flavored popping oil. So I got that in there, and I just want it to get a little warm. Just you want to spread it around so it gets a little warm. It's so simple to do this. I think we used to do this. When I was a kid, because we didn't have all that packaged stuff. We just made our own popcorn. So I figured, you know what? Let me try that. Try this one. So for this 1 tablespoon of oil, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of this popcorn in it. Just nothing but popcorn. There's nothing else but corn. And I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3. Now, what you want to do, you want to turn it down a little bit. But what I want to do is cover it. You need to cover it. And listen. Shake it around a little bit. We used to have that Jiffy Pop. So you want to just shake it a little. Turn this down so it starts popping. And you'll hear it. It's going to start. When it get right, it'll pop. Okay, watch. Listen. Listen for the pop. There it go. You hear it? It's popping. You hear it popping. Now you want it to pop until you don't hear this no more. Just listen for the sound. It's popping up. Now you hear it. There you go. Now that's popcorn. As you hear it, it's popping. And it's slowing down now. We don't want to keep it on much longer. You have to really listen when you're doing this. Okay. I don't hear it. I'm turning it down. Matter of fact, I'm turning it off. Okay. You don't hear another thing. It's nice. All right. So I opened it up, and there's my popcorn. That's not even a lot of popcorn. I could have put this in a smaller container. But that's just a little popcorn if you want some popcorn. It's done. Simple. There you go. That's popcorn. There you go. Now you can put what you want on it. You can put a little salt. You can put a little, of course I'll put a little salt on here. But just a little, you can put pepper on it. You can put cheese on there, butter, whatever you need. You can put whatever you want on this popcorn. So I'm telling you, just go ahead and make yourself some popcorn and make it the way you want. Put the things that you want on it. This got nothing on it. That's good. It's popcorn. So have some popcorn or watch a movie. Have a good one or watch some YouTube, whatever. Whatever you want to do. But it's time to do stuff in the house and get yourself all nestled in. Perfect weather. Beautiful for that. Okay, everybody. Talk to you later. Have a good one. And keep on subscribing, and thank you. Bye-bye.